Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss Albert Bandura's social learning theory, specifically one of its key concept, which is one of the most influential theories in psychology, especially in understanding how people learn from their social environment. So, bago ang lahat, let's define what is social learning theory. So, Albert Bandura proposed the social learning theory noong 1960s, emphasizing that learning occurs not just through direct experience but also by observing others. So, this process is often referred to as observational learning. So, the theory challenges the traditional view that learning happens only through rewards or punishment, as suggested by behaviorists like Skinner's. So, there are four key concepts of social learning theory, but we are just discussing the first one, which is observational learning theory. So, observational learning. So, wherein it is the core of the theory. So, people, or especially children, ay natututunan ang mga behavior, skills, and attitudes by observing models in their environment, katulad na lamang sa kanilang parents, teachers, peers, or even characters on TV or social media. So for example, a 6-year-old child watches their older siblings at the table for dinner. So inilagay nito ng dahan-dahan ng mga plato, kutsara, and baso sa table in their proper position. So the next day, without being explicitly taught or told to do so, ang 6 years old na batang ito ay sinat din ang table in the same way. So, dun pa lang, na-observe na ng bata yung actions wherein ginaya din niya ito nang hindi sinasabi sa kanya na gawin niya din. So, that is one of the example of observational learning theory. So, na-observe sa kanyang kapatid and she imitate it the next day.